Hi. I'm just reflecting over the day today. I've been lying down for most of the day. Still lying down. And very charming. I've been burping like crazy for 4 months every time I lie down. Yeah, that's a whole other story. Bear with me. Oh, yeah. I keep thinking I should look the word up. Yeah, look up the word for what's been wrong the last few months. But yeah, I keep forgetting. And I hope it's over soon. Yeah, but today has been, I don't know if I'm gonna post this. That is I feel like you can post that, but yeah, it's yeah. This has been my this is just a video of me burping. That's yeah, this is really heavy. It's been a long day, and yeah, I've been meditating for at least 5 hours today, lying down, without anything really changing. And now it's about, is it 9 or 10 in the evening? I don't have a watch, it's on my phone. Yeah, but this is the most energy I've had today. And yeah, I've spent some of the energy I had answering some comments, and yeah, I just want to say thank you for all of your comments, because it makes me happy to know that, yeah, both that there are such kind people in the world, and well, it makes me want to keep sharing. And I feel like even though I'm not really that much out in the world, I can still somewhat make an impact. That makes me happy. So thank you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being you. I think sometimes we forget how much the little things we do can impact others. And yeah, all of you watching and following and commenting and liking, I'm honored that, yeah, you want to be here, and that I can be part of your journey. Thank you for letting me in. Have a great day.